Modern outdoor security cameras do more than just record. They detect movement, track intruders, and even communicate in real time. With high-resolution video, night vision, AI motion detection, and two-way audio, these cameras give you full control from anywhere in the world. Some even offer solar-powered operation, 360-degree coverage, and smart alerts that differentiate between people, pets, and vehicles. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best outdoor security cameras of 2025 to help you choose for your security needs. So if you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description, as I've linked each of the products mentioned. Let's dive in. Number 5. Wyze Cam Pan. This best value outdoor security camera on our list. The Wyze Cam Pan brings full 360-degree coverage, motion tracking, and color night vision, all in a compact. Now, let's talk about what makes this camera so versatile. With 1080p HD video, pan and tilt controls, and a 180-degree vertical tilt range, it covers an entire room effortlessly. The Wyze app gives you full control, letting you zoom in and track any movement instantly. But what truly sets it apart is its motion tracking capability. Instead of just sending alerts, it locks onto movement and follows it across the room, whether it's an intruder, a pet, or even just a package being delivered. Also, its ultra-quiet motor ensures it operates discreetly without drawing attention. And users can instantly enable privacy mode by tilting the camera downward, ensuring total privacy when needed. The built-in microphone and speaker let users communicate remotely, whether to speak with visitors or calm a pet. And yes, security doesn't stop at your front door. This camera is IP65 weather-resistant, meaning it can handle rain, snow, and dust when paired with the Wyze Outdoor Power Adapter. Add two-way audio for real-time communication and 24/7 local recording with a micro SD card, and you've got a complete surveillance solution. Also, the camera supports continuous recording with a micro SD card, allowing up to 30 days of footage without requiring a cloud subscription. Best one. Number 4. Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery. This model on our list stands out for wire-free design and easiest setup. Okay, let's talk about features. It captures 1080p HD video with real-time notifications and two-way talk, so you can see and communicate with visitors right from your phone. Also, the Live View feature gives instant access to your camera's feed, and with customizable privacy zones, you decide what areas to monitor. And if you use Alexa, this camera seamlessly integrates with Echo devices, allowing you to receive motion alerts, see a live feed, or even talk to visitors hands-free. However, security isn't just about visuals, it's about smart alerts. The motion detection system sends instant notifications letting you know when someone is at your door. And with Ring's home subscription plan, you can save video recordings for up to 180 days, so you never miss a thing. For extra security, the Ring app's Control Center lets you manage connected devices, set privacy preferences, and control who has access to your camera, giving you full command over your home's security setup. Of course, installation is hassle-free. No wiring, no drilling. Just insert the quick-release battery pack, connect to Wi-Fi, and mount it anywhere indoors or outdoors. The versatile bracket allows for both wall and ceiling mounting, giving you total flexibility. Built to withstand the elements, this camera is weather-resistant, ready to handle rain, wind, and sun without any drop in performance. Best one. Number 3. Blink Outdoor 4, best for Alexa users. This model, with wire-free installation and up to 2 years of battery life, it's built for convenience and long-term reliability. Okay, let's take a closer look at this model. 1080p HD Live View and infrared night vision provide clear and detailed footage, whether it's day or night. And the enhanced motion detection with dual-zone technology ensures you only get alerts for movement that matters, minimizing false alarms. Also, two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors directly through the Blink app. One of the standout features is its person detection, which can differentiate between people and objects, available with an optional subscription. Also, you can store video clips in the cloud or locally using the included Sync Module 2, giving you flexibility over how you manage your recordings. Another great feature is customizable privacy zones. It means can set specific areas to monitor while ignoring others, helping to reduce unnecessary alerts and ensuring you only focus on what matters most. Compared to other smart security cameras, this model offers a truly wire-free experience with long battery life, making it an excellent choice for users who want low maintenance, high reliability, and seamless Alexa integration. Its easy setup means no professional installation is required. Best one. Number 2. ArmorCope Wireless Smart Battery Camera. Best budget option. This wireless outdoor security camera stands out 2K HD video, intelligent motion detection, and long-lasting battery life, making it a hassle-free way to protect your property. Okay, 2K HD resolution ensures crystal clear footage, while its full-color night vision lets you see important details, even in low light. Unlike standard night vision, it doesn't just capture shadows. It delivers sharp, vibrant visuals at any time of day. Also, its customizable motion zones mean you only receive alerts for activity that truly matters. This security camera features real-time alerts with AI motion detection, distinguishing between people, pets, packages, and vehicles so you won't get spammed with unnecessary notifications. And yes, it's built for protection. Whether it's a visitor at your door or an unwanted guest, the siren and spotlight deterrent feature lets you respond instantly. Compared to many outdoor security cameras, this model excels in battery life and storage flexibility. The 5,000 milliamp hour battery delivers 1 to 5 months of continuous use, reducing the hassle of frequent charging. Also, with both local SD card storage, you get full control over your footage without being forced into a subscription plan. Very nice. Number 1. Eufy SoloCam S340 Best Overall. Home security isn't just about monitoring, it's about complete coverage and reliability. At the top of our list, this model stands out with dual cameras, AI monitoring, and solar-powered operation for 24/7 protection. Now, let's take a closer look at this security camera. The 360-degree pan and tilt surveillance ensures no blind spots, while the 8x hybrid zoom lets you see faces and license plates clearly from up to 50 feet away. Thanks to AI-powered motion tracking, it follows moving objects automatically, so you never miss important details. The built-in spotlight and siren help deter intruders, while two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors in real time. And with advanced night vision, you get clear footage even in complete darkness, ensuring round-the-clock safety. What sets it apart is its solar-powered operation, requiring just 2 hours of sunlight per day for continuous power. Also, it stores footage locally without monthly fees, making it a cost-effective, worry-free security solution. Unlike some cameras that require extra hubs or subscriptions, this one offers full integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, making smart home security more seamless. All right, intelligent tracking, solar efficiency, and advanced security features. The Eufy SoloCam S340 best choice for those who want complete home protection